In this session, we will discuss about the practical points. These many are the practical points available in this session. So one by one, we have to discuss these many practicals. First point is saying that insert an image to document from various sources. Now question is arise, how many sources available in this writer software? We have many ways like from file or from scanning document or from the gallery. Means basically 3 ways we have to insert an image to document. Next is how can we modify, resize, crop and delete an image. We will discuss afterwards. Then third point is saying that how can we create some drawing objects. Drawing objects like line, rectangle, oval, square, etc. Next is set or change the properties of a drawing object. Means how can you change the property? Change the property means how can increase or decrease thickness of line. How can you fill color inside the object like rectangle or square? How can you change the border color of particular object? So we can see in this point. Resize and group drawing objects. How can we shrink and how can we grow our drawing objects? Means shrink means reduce size, grow means increase the size. So how can we do this? In this topic we will discuss. And grouping drawing object means group 2 or more than 2 objects together, like one is rectangle, second one is square, combined together with the help of grouping option. We will see in this topic. And then position the image in the text. Means this topic saying that how can we adjust the position of the image with the help of text. Means in between the text where we can place image. So this can be with the help of wrap text option. So means here we are talking about wrapping text. So let's start the practical topic. First, insert an image to document from various sources. First of all, you have to place your cursor where you want to print or insert image. Go to the insert menu, then select picture option. Picture is a sub menu in the insert menu. Then select from file. Here you see 2 options are appeared. One is from file and second one is scan. So here we start with the from file option. Select this option. Once you click on from file, you will get insert picture dialog box. Here you have to select the location where you want to insert, from where you want to insert picture. Either you have to go in the pictures folder or second is download where your picture is stored. So here my picture is available in the download folder. Select this picture, its name is images. Now click on this open button. Once you click on open button, you will see your picture is inserted. Picture is inserted. Once picture is inserted, it will show the picture toolbar. Means picture toolbar automatically enabled once your picture is inserted in your document. See this. Here are the dotted green dots appear the border of the picture. See, these are the green dots. Picture is selected with the help of green points, green dots. So what is called these green dots? The green points or green dots are called read points. With the help of this, you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Means either you can increase the size of picture or you can reduce the size of picture with the help of these green dots. Is it clear? Now, this 4-headed arrow key. With the help of this 4-headed arrow key, you will move your picture from one place to another place. Is it clear? You can do very easily. Once you deselect your picture toolbar will disappear. Again you have to select your picture. Again picture toolbar will appear in your screen. Now this is the first way to insert picture. Suppose that I want to insert one more picture from the gallery. So what I do, we go to the right side of this document window, writer window, click on gallery option, select the gallery. From the gallery you have to choose picture, which picture you want to insert. I want to insert computer's picture. Select this and take the computer picture, computer, laptop, black. Select this, right click, insert and then copy. Once you click on it, you will see the picture will insert it in your document. See, is it clear? Now, what happened? This picture is replaced with previous one. How? Because of that time from file picture is selected. Okay. Now you deselect it and again you want to insert your picture. You can go to the insert menu, then picture, from file, select image and then open. You will see two pictures will appear in our screen. One from the gallery and second from file. Now this topic we have covered, insert an image to document from various sources. So two sources we have discussed here, from file and second is from gallery. Is it clear? Now second is modify, resize, crop and delete an image. Now first we talk about the delete an image. How we can delete picture. So for deleting, first you select your picture and then simply press delete key from the keyboard. Your picture will delete. Is it clear? Now second one. Second is crop. To crop your picture, what you will do? First select your picture. Once you select your picture, green dots will appear around the picture or image. Right click on the picture, select picture option from the shortcut menu. Once you click on shortcut menu, once you click on picture option from the shortcut menu, you will get picture dialog box. In picture dialog box, there are various tabs like type, option, picture, crop, border, background, macro. These many are the tabs available. So, but here I want to do work with the crop tab. So what I will do, in the crop section, there are two options. One is keep scale and second one is keep image size. What is the difference between these two? Keep scale and keep image size. Suppose I want to select first one, keep scale, this one I want to select. So that time it requires how many inches you want to cut, either from the left side, right side, top or bottom. So here I want to cut 10 inches from the left side, or you can write like 5 inches from the, simply you have to write 5 inch from the left side, then click on OK. Once you click on OK button, you will see its size 5 inches from the left side. So it remains only this much. Press Ctrl plus Z together, you will get again same picture in its original position. Next, second one, again go to the picture, then crop. Now here keep image size, and same thing you have to do again here. Means image size remains same. If you remove 10 inch from, 5 inch from the left side, but its size remains same. The picture size remains same. See this. Click on set this size like 5 inch and then click OK. You will see size doesn't affect. Means size remains same. Size of the picture remains same, or it removed 5 inch from the left side. Is it clear? Then suppose you want to change its border, picture border, you can do here, change from here, hyperlink, wrap text or options, whatever you want to do, you can do from here. from the picture dialog box. Then click cancel. Here I want to do only crop because crop is given in your syllabus. Then next is resize. Resize we have discussed previously. Resize means I select any one green dot, any one corner. Once the cursor sign change like a double-headed arrow key, then you increase or decrease its size. Is it clear? So this is the resizing. Next topic is your modify. Modify you have to do with the help of this picture toolbar. In the picture toolbar, there are many options. In picture toolbar, various options available. You can do with the help of these. See here. What is this? From file. From file means once you want to change your picture, means if you want to change this picture with another one, you will use this one option, from file. Select this from file, again gallery will open. Now select another file, then click on open. This file will swap with new file. Means new file will appear, new image will appear in place of that. Only one file is here. See this. Means you can interchange file with the help of this from file option. Second one is a filter option. In filter, we have different types of options. Like first option name is invert. Invert option, it will change the color of the picture once you click on invert. See here. Once I click on the invert option, it will change the color of the picture. Again, you click on invert option, it works like a revert. Means picture will appear in original form. Next option name is smooth. Softness of the image means some effect will perform. Then sharpen means sharp the image. Similarly, so remove noise. Remove noise is nothing but if more softness is there in the image, then this option will help you to remove the softness of the. Okay, so many options are here. You can apply it. Then solarization effect, aging effect, posterization effect, pop art effect, charcoal sketch. Once you click on charcoal, you will see the picture like this. So means many options are available here. You have to see. Okay. Then control the Z, undo. Next is this color option. From here you can change the color of the picture. Then this one, grayscale. These many of the options available for modification. Once you select any one option from here, watermark is like a faded image. See this. Then original, default means picture will come in original place. Like next, flip horizontally or flip vertically. These two options available. Flip horizontally or vertically option just like rotate. Means rotate your picture in a 180 degree. Click on flip horizontally, see the change. The Windows is written like this, in this manner. Once you click on horizontally, see this. It is available in reverse order. Similarly, once you click on vertically, picture is converted like this. Vertically, flip horizontally means rotate your picture, nothing else. Then, now modify, resize, crop and delete an image. These many topics we have covered. Next topic is create drawing objects. How can you create drawing objects? Remove this picture. Now, how can you insert drawing objects? Drawing objects, you can see from here. Drawing object. This is the drawing toolbar. This is a drawing toolbar. If you are not getting this drawing toolbar, go to the view menu. Select toolbar. The sub menus appear. From here, see this. This is the drawing option. Now this time it is checked. Checked means drawing toolbar is present. If it is not present in your document like this time it is not appear. Again go to the view menu, select toolbar and then select drawing. Once you click on drawing, drawing toolbar present in your writer. Clear? These many other steps to follow to insert drawing. Now, see, insert line. Insert line like this. Once you insert your line, you will see there is a toolbar. This toolbar is called drawing object property tool. Clear? It is appeared bottom of the this menu bar, then toolbar. Okay. Next, you can change its style from here like this dashed line or something other like this, but I want to like continuous. Then increase its width like 5 inches like this, 1 inch like this, 0.34 like this. Okay. Then change its color like this. Then many options are here, gradient or something else, gradient style like this. Many options are present here, so you can apply these options. Now see, two more options available here: bring to front or send to back. Send to back means once you select send to back option, your picture will appear at the top of this drawing object. Means this drawing object goes back of the image. Once you click on bring to front, means this drawing object appear at the front of the image like this. Is it clear? So these many options are present. You can apply according to your choice. Next is this topic we have covered: set and change the properties of the drawing object. Now insert some other drawing objects like rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now its color, you can change its color from here like this. Border color like this. Clear na? Then if you want to write something like rectangle, 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 you can type like this. Then next topic is your resize and group drawing objects. Resize you can do very easily. Again same thing. Once you select your picture, your drawing object, green dots will appear around it. With the help of this green dot, you can increase or decrease the size of your drawing objects like this. Next topic is your grouping drawing objects. For grouping, you have to insert 2 or more than 2 drawing objects in your OpenOffice Writer document. How we will perform grouping drawing objects? First of all, you have to select your object. Once you click on it, you will select it, and after that you have to press Ctrl and Shift together to select another one object. Now both the objects are selected. After that, right click anywhere on the object, selected object, then select group option from the shortcut menu. Again you have to select group option. Once you select group option, now both the objects are grouped together. When you move any one object, both the objects will move. See this. See this. Both the objects are moving. If you want to ungroup these objects, again same step you have to follow. Right click, then group, and from here you have to select ungroup option. Once you click on ungroup, now both the objects are ungrouped. Move one by one. Is it clear? This is the way to do grouping or ungrouping of selected drawing objects. Next topic is your position the image in the text. How will you perform it? So for this you have to insert some text on the document. So now this time I am selecting this text and I want to paste this text here in this document like this, and I want to insert one picture from file. Go to the insert menu, select picture option from file, then insert one picture, click on open button. Now your picture is inserted. See here in the drawing object property window having options. First is wrap off, second is page wrap, and third is wrap through. See the changes. Once the wrap off option is enabled, that means picture will appear in between the text. In between the text. See here, 3 lines appeared at the top and 1 line at the bottom of the image. Once you click on page wrap, see the change. Means picture will appear in between the text. In between the text means some of the text will appear at the left or some will appear at the right. Suppose you want to place your picture at the left side, so all the text appeared at the right, or this is the look of like newspaper. Or suppose you want to place your picture in the right side, so whole text will shifted at the left side. Now third one is wrap through. Once you wrap through it, means picture will appear top of the text. So this is the difference between these 3 options. One is wrap off, page wrap, and third one is wrap through. I hope this session is clear to you. All the topics in this session we have covered: insert an image to document from various sources, from file or from gallery, modify, resize, crop and delete option in an image, creating drawing objects, select or change the property of a drawing object, resize and group drawing objects, and last topic is position the image in the text.